Peace, you guys. Welcome YouTube. It's the funny channel. Someone tired and coming double up. My mom is cooking the first time on kicking. I'm thanking anyone here 3K on the cupboard. Thank you anyone on point, this in the comment. I'm gonna do it funny someday. I can't wait to do this on this camera. Got and date. We got Bonnie and that right here. We got these right here. And hit this one cob and hit that bell and put a cursor on. And want to comment and like your feelings. I'm gonna do 150 views. Just comment up. This is a go part. It is sunny. It is warmer. It is cool outside. When the weather is in a high weather and it's 31 increase outside. With you guys and report this kind of lot. This a lot to do. You got this light right here. It done good. This has been a long time in cooking blog, and you guys that see me friendly channel a lot. And did probably Thursday, stop in the day, you know. And mama, I call it mama buck up phone in the day. And right here, and the time said is 4:44, y'all. It's January 15th on Thursday, y'all. There's a go party I'm gonna do. Got back in on the last blog, meet EJ, gorgeous, and fun time, and that. Go watch it, y'all. Just writing this in cream. And go part this intro I'm doing. I'm gonna try it this year, 2026. So go part this doing me and my sister, went to praise the birthdays, Halloween party. I'm gonna do it live to do. My sister Spotify, everybody know in the comment there, my family report a lot. And I did go bed last night when 1 o'clock and that I watched TikTok and that, and tonight is then this is a long time in cooking blog and the first time when they're doing. This we got in half the day. We got plenty and that. This is good and that. My mama in there, her watching her movies today. So I'm gonna record this video, just go part this and do. It's Sunday, look at this, y'all. Sunny. And that, I got this right here. And a die cowboy right here. And last week, on Christmas, my dad go watch it, y'all. It's right in this cream. So I drop it every day. They drop 5, even in my memories and a lot. So I'm gonna do it this year. I'm gonna do it for the time, and y'all. I'm gonna do it in the next vlog. I'm doing this, y'all. I'm gonna test it, and pulling it. Gum. And that. We got a Diet Coke over here. And then the presents final time there. So I'm gonna do it, guys. You guys please check it out in my last blog in this videos. Me eating court. I'm sorry, y'all. I did leak, took my mama shopping and that. Sorry, and did that, and did washing, and light the fuse, and this, and Chloe hit 3K, and car burst. Come on, y'all, please watch it, and this is channel live. So, this right here, and got, this is my niece, and my nephew, and my sister right here, and that, and everything good this day, this, y'all, this go part, got prom, this month, February, and that. We got presents. I'm gonna open on the portals. And either day we're doing. This go part. We do 3 days on Sunday. We got 303. The volleyball game. Let's go part of that. Either day. It's sunny. That we're doing. I got this. I love my parents so much a lot. Fish, and that. Go back in the last week. This vlog. Go watch it, y'all. We got these in the sour things and the Bluetooth. Doing. I got my PFI right here, y'all. I got this desk right here in the light up. It's doing good. I'm gonna call you guys every day. I'm gonna see you in this block or this night. I'm gonna see you in the next video, y'all. I'm gonna see today. This last week on my last block. I'm at my birthdays. Call back, go watch it, y'all. So yeah. Alright, I called my microphone in final time. Duh. So edit there and get in there. It's 4:50, y'all. Let's get it this start. Today in the more banger, y'all. In the live view, just comment up, y'all. Please do you guys everything. Last week, years ago, and then Halloween, shopping, Halloween shopping like that. Go watch it, y'all. We got Spotify. I got this mask. So much a lot. Everything. And this long time.